In Gaza, the seas are a jewel. What I love the most about the sea is the feeling of freedom and infinity. No one can control the sea, and it seems never-ending. The sea is one of the few places in Gaza where we all can go for a few hours of joy. When bad thoughts come, I go to the sea and it drowns them out. But our jewel also is a reminder that we are in a prison. 3 times warships with missiles have ridden its waves. In every grain of sand, there is a story of a missile and a dead child next to his toy, killed in one of the wars on Gaza. In every drop of water, there's a story of a damaged boat or a wounded fisherman, collateral damage, and Israel's determination to strangle our ability to earn a living. If our fishermen or anyone else sail more than 3 to 6 miles out, they risk being shot, their nets, tools, and boats confiscated. We're not even allowed to import fiberglass to repair them. This is the world of corruption and oppression to which we wake every day. And I question how we are to survive in such a mad world, driven by mad men and obeyed by us all. We are enduring the pain of occupation because we have to believe that someday we will gain our freedom. Just like our sea refuses to stop kissing the shoreline, no matter how many times it's sent away.